Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
We'll demonstrate on a 2012 Ford F-150, but even if you have a different year, that generation, it will work as well. So we're going to go ahead and open the fuse box that's located under the hood. Once you open the hood on your F-150, right above the radiator you have a fuse box. When you open it, you just face it that way. Before we continue, let me tell you guys why it's super important to test fuses and relays so you don't waste your money and time. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So if you see, you have different kinds of fuses, relays as well, those could be really expensive. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can buy them at a really good price and quick shipping. If you come to the very last row right here, guys, check this thing out, that row right here. If you come next to it, starting from the very left side, even if you have a missing fuse, you count it 1, 2, 3. That third fuse right here, that 20 amp fuse, that's the one for the power outlet in the dash, guys, in the center, in the instrument panel right there, guys. So that right here is the one that you need to check.
Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.